I arrived at Kimhae Airport. Good evening. This is Gijang in Busan. There are two lighthouses. One is a red lighthouse and the other is white lighthouse. Just after sunset, the scenery is beautiful. Hello everyone, I came to Orito. The weather is beautiful and the scenery is fantastic. You see?
이런데 한동안 펜션 있으면 하룻밤 얻어갖고 자면서 저기 내가 집 진짜 잘 보는데 나 저기 됐으면 진짜 그랬으면 없어.
Because of the strange shape of their peaks and mountains standing by side, the Orito Islands seem to have six peaks seen from the east and five peaks from the west. They were designated as National Heritage Number 24 by the Cultural Heritage Administration.
나 떨어져 우리가 구해줄게. 네가 그러니까 야 나는 무서울 새가 없네. 그때 좀
It's so scary.
진짜 무섭다 무섭게. 야 장난 아니야. 언니 그럼 이쪽으로. 언니 이쪽으로 가면 카메라만. 언니 그래도 잘 잡아 앵글.
오케이 잠깐만 스탑해 잠깐만 아니 못할 것 같아 일단 끄고 We came to Photoshop. It is near Haeundae. We'll take pictures together with my cousins. It'll be very interesting. We're gonna have lunch at Shila's Day. Looks yummy, delicious. This is Haeundae Beach, which is very famous. Gwanghangni Beach. There is a Gwanghang Bridge over there. There are some people on the beach. They look very happy. It was a very interesting place.
플레이스를 몇 군데 알아냈으니까 형부랑 이거 한번 반대하고 나한테
구름한 점 없을 때는
좋지
hit the subscribe and give me a like.